pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
is the biscuits. For this you will need 225 grams of plain all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of a mixed spice, 100 grams of margarine or butter softened, 100 grams of caster sugar, superfine sugar, grated zest of 1 lemon, 1 large egg beaten, 50 grams of currants, 1 teaspoon of milk, 1 beaten egg white to glaze, and 25 grams of caster sugar for dusting. Add the mixed spice to the flour. Mix and set aside. Beat the margarine, the caster sugar and the lemon zest until light and fluffy. Beat in the egg a little at a time. Don't forget to scrape down the sides. Work in the sifted flour. Currants, and milk, mix to a stiff dough with a fork. Turn out the dough onto a floured surface. Roll out the dough to 5 millimeters. Was it 6? It says on 1/4 inch thick. Cut into rounds. Now you want to transfer the rounds onto a baking sheet using a palette knife. I better put some flour on it. Break each biscuit in several places on a fork. Brush over your lightly beaten egg white. And then dust with caster sugar, superfine sugar. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes at gas mark 4, 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. Don't bake them too long or they'll go hard and be unpleasant. And now for the taste test. They're not bad. You can taste the lemon in them. I don't know why they're called Easter biscuits. Anyway, I'll give them 15 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.